blackout talaga. You guys okay?
I'm scared. I want to go to sleep.
Takot sila.
When does it think it's gonna end?
Where's the other one? You don't use it?
This doesn't work because it's like
Low bat?
every time when I turn it on, it just turns off.
Oh, it's low bat. Almost low bat. Look, it's 0%. So, kukunin ko muna yung akin doon.
So what are we
Guys,
gonna do now?
just sleep. Try to sleep. Put that one in your head, Shelton. Shelton, put that in your the head. Here, oh. Here. Now, it's low bat now. Put it in here. No, here. It's gonna fall. Here, just let it charge. Give it to me. Takot sila sa blackout. Naku, very rare lang to guys na mag-blackout sa amin. Natamaan siguro ng ano, light ang saksakan. Saksakan. Yung power. Kaya wala kaming ilaw. Kuryente. So, anong oras na ba ngayon? 3:45. Malakas din ang ulan, guys. So, kailangan ko yung portable fan ko. Hindi basta-basta dito mag-blackout, guys. Ngayon lang talaga. Pero hindi naman mahaba. Sana pabalik na. So, ayan yung ako, guys. Yung aking portable. Try namin matulog. Si Sawyer, sobrang tulog. Me. Where am I gonna put this? So, ayan na guys. Nakatutok sa kanila yung portable. At saka may charger pa. So, ayan. So, nakatulog na yan sila kasi may fan. Good morning guys. Kakagising lang namin guys. Last night, grabe. 1 hour yung yung brown out dito sa amin guys. First time na nangyari yun kasi yung yung malakas kasi yung ulan saka may kidlat pa guys. Allah, ayan na. Yung dalaga ko guys. Yung bathroom niya madumi na naman. Ay, naku. Talaga naman. Ganito na naman talaga yung tinuturuan ko na siya guys. Kaya lang minsan nakakalimutan eh. Paano niya linisin yung kanyang bathroom tsaka yung damit niya nasa floor. Andito pala sila sa sala guys. Naglaro soya. Your baby?
You are already a baby doll.
Pretend play. Oh, baby, what happened? Punta muna kami guys sa Lens at the-drop off ko muna si Shelton sa kanyang friend.
There was thunder so much last night. Did you get the power outage?
They have fun. Andun na si Shelton sa kanyang friend. Papunta na siya kasi ito yung bahay sa... Ito yung bahay. Kami naman ay nasa Dollar Tree ni Samantha at saka yung friend niya na si Kura. Ayan sila Sam. Hmm? What?
Oh, they're plastic.
It's plastic.
Oh.
It's not good when it's plastic.
But like it didn't.
It looked like this one. Oh, this one is not
I saw
plastic.
like a purple one up there.
But it's plastic. We can find it in Walmart or... Ang bango ba ito? Ang dami nilang ano guys. Ha? Ah, okay, sisi. And then, that's really nice. Dami nilang mga pang-organize. Hmm? What? Oh. I know. Whoa. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's cute. Oh, light something. Light mix. That's so cute. Di pa rin sila tapos, guys. Here Sissy goes. You haven't been find something, Sam? Oh. You. Whoa, where?
For your face. Oh, eye patch?
Yeah?
No. Oh, what
Ang daming pwedeng bilhin. $1.25 lang. Which one? This one? This one? Okay. Bumili muna kami guys ng Slurpee. Sobrang init. So, papunta muna ako sa Lin's. Bibili ako ng milk. Guys, dumating na kami sa bahay. So, bumili lang ako ng gatas ni Sawyer sa Lin's. So, dati guys ay whole milk yung binili ko, ngayon is 2% kasi sumasakit yung tiyan ni Sawyer sa whole milk na kasi magto 2 years old na lang. Magto 2 years old na siya guys. So, ito yung milk. Tapos may nakita akong sale doon guys sa Lin Supermarket. Ito siya before is 169. Ngayon ay 99 cents na lang guys. So, may expire siya ngayong ano guys, 2 years pa ba? March 16, 2027. So, kahit matagal ako magpadala ng packet sa Pinas guys, matagal siya ma-expired. So, bumili na ako guys ng 15 piraso kasi nga on sale siya guys. So, ipapadala ko siya sa Pinas. Ito dito. Yung macaroni. Ayan. Macaroni, elbow, at saka yung spaghetti guys. So, may package sa dumating guys. So, ito. Wow. Only 1 box. Oh, ito guys. Pinadala sa akin ni Ate Marifil galing sa Lewin, Mississippi. Mommy! Come on. Tatlong box daw to guys. Pero, ito yung nakita ko. Isa, baka andun sa mailbox yung dalawa. So, kailangan ko siyang kunin. Tita Marifil, send it to me. I don't know. She said it's a 3 box, but I only got 1. Maybe the 2 of the box is in the mailbox. So, buksan natin, guys. So, yeah, come here, baby. Mahal pala. $24.75. Oh, wow. Grabe. Ang palaya, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, ha. Hindi pa siya nasira talaga. Sinend niya to ng, ano, guys, ng Monday. Tingnan nyo. Hindi siya sira. Kasi fresh niya to. Sinend sa akin, guys. Sa garden niya. So, ayan. Ang palaya. Sawyer. Ang palaya. I know this. So, may mga sili siyang sinend sa akin, guys. Wow. That's eggplant. Ayan. Oh, yung iba na ano na siya na ito na ano na siya na 3 box to, guys. Hindi ko pa alam kung ayan. Uy. Baka pwede na ba itong itanim? Yucky, okay. Just leave it there. So, yan mga sili pa siyang pinadala sa akin. Wow. Ang palaya. Stickers. May stickers pa. May. Yan, okra. Oh, diba? Ang daming talong na sinod niya sa akin. Oh. God, kinain niya. Nabuang bataa, eh. Why you eating it? Don't eat it. Don't eat it. So you're, yan. Talong niya to. Buddy! Oh God! Ew. Mayroon pa mga jalapeno ba to? No! Don't eat it! Kinain mo na. Hindi pa nga ano. Ew, that's yucky. Ew. Wala sa akin yung sushi, guys, sa mailbox. So, mamaya ko na yung mabuksan. Andun sa asawa ko. Nadala niya. So, wow, sarap naman ito. May okra. ABC. What ABCB? Oh no. Okay. Ibang kulay ng okra, red. Ew! Don't touch that one! Yeah. Ang sili. Lagay ko sa sukaan. What's that? Ayan. Okra. So, ito, ewan ko kung itanim ba to? Pwede ba to itanim? Siguro pwede to itanim. So, ayan guys, oh, yung hindi na pwede. Mayroon pang dalawa sa mailbox, guys, pero hindi ko siya makuha dahil andun yung susi sa asawa ko. No! So, ito siya, guys. So, ito, guys, ang dami niyang binigay sa akin. Ay! We are told that the gunman actually used the AC units to climb into the building. The initial that they were about to get up is inaccurate. We're told to use those air cages to actually climb out. That's new today. I want to try and get in the mind of the shooter now, though. Also figure out what went wrong, where he went undetected. Let's bring in former Secret Service agent Paul Eckroth, who worked for the Secret Service for more than 2 decades. Paul, thank you for joining us.
Get down. Just get him down. The police only for the president.
Mommy! It's that! Oh, gosh!
An indicator of what this potential assassin's motivations were or his mental state is to look at the history of shooters in America. Obviously, you can't interrogate a subject that is neutralized by counter snipers, but you look back at a history of
Oh, you're helping mommy?
school shooters, people who
You helping mommy?
25%.
Mommy! Mommy's here.
Laki ng kalabasa. Oh, laki guys.
What are you having, mommy? You're so sweet. Thank you, Sawyer. Thank you. You having,
Dami
mommy?
ng okra.
Are you having, mommy? Oh, that's so sweet.
Wow.
So much okra.
I know.
Is it soft?
Yeah.
So, from there, if you want,
Heavy.
That's nice.
Heavy.
the okra pieces,
Oh.
each okra piece is heavy.
Oh my gosh, sayang.
Each okra piece is heavy. Or the box is heavy.
Oh. So sad with the... Oh, tomato. Move. Sayang guys, nag-brown yung ano, sitaw. Yun guys, oh. May sitaw. Pero parang nalanta siya. Ito, oh. Oh, ang kamatis, ang sarap.